Banking, central bank. It is the bank which constitutes the apex of the monetary and banking structure of the country. Central bank is also known as the Reserve Bank of India. Check. Check is a written order to the bank to pay on demand to himself or to the person named in the check certain sum of money. There are parties to a check. There are three parties to a check. Drawer, it is the person who has deposited money in the bank or who orders his bank to make the payment. Drawee, it is the bank on whom a check is drawn. Payee, this is a person named in the check to receive the payment. The types of check are bearer check. This check is payable to person who present it for encashment. If such checks are lost or stolen, the bank cannot be held responsible for the payment to the wrong person. Ordered check. The word bearer on the check is struck off and the word ordered is written. It is a safer form of payment because the bank has to make sure that the amount of check is paid to the right person. Cross check. When two parallel lines are drawn across the face of the check, it is said to be cross check. A cross check cannot be encashed at the counter. The payee can get the amount transferred to his account or put it in somebody's account. So this is the safest form of payment. No one can claim payment if it is lost. No one can claim payment even if it is lost. Advantages of a check. There is no fear of loss when the checks are crossed. The counterfoil can be used for receipts. The check can be used to transfer money within a town or also between two different places. It is very convenient to carry checks as well as pay the exact amount in rupees and paisa. Functions of a commercial bank. A modern commercial bank performs a wide variety of functions. The important function of this bank are acceptance of deposits. Commercial bank accept and attract deposit from publics. Bank accept deposit from individual. This deposits mainly from individual, business, firms and other institutions. These deposits mainly are of four types: current deposit, fixed deposit, saving and recurring. advance of loan. Commercial bank can give loans even. Commercial bank is to give loans and pay advances out of their deposits. Loans and advances are given to all type of person such as farmers, consumers and employers, and again security. This commercial bank gives loan and advances in the form of cash credit, ordinary loan or overdraft facilities. Usually they give in these forms, other forms can be there even. Cash credit, ordinary loan and overdraft facility. Advantage of bank account. The habit of saving among the people is inculcated. The habit of saving among the people is inculcated. The payment can easily be done through check. The small saving of person remains safe and without any risks with the bank. The payee also receives the amount easily through check, and customer can avail the facility of bank overdraft and cash credit according to his financial requirements. So overdraft facility can be given to you even, means you can draw more money than you had in your bank account. Transaction made through bank can be produced as an evidence in case of dispute.